Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk adjustable fork sill driver. Now if you're replacing fork sills, you need a way to drive those in safely. The problem is on smaller forks, it's kind of hard to find a driver that fits each one. So that's where this adjustable driver comes into play. It's going to work on fork tubes that range from 26 to 45 millimeters in diameter. You're going to find these forks on smaller trail bikes, kids bikes, pit bikes, and even some vintage bikes. So if you have one of these and you need to get your fork sills replaced, I'm going to give you some tips on how to use this tool. So this is the fork from our KLX110. I already used this tool to drive the seal in, and I want to show you guys how I did it. So all you got to do is take this tool, put it around the fork, and then you have these adjustable pieces and you want to get the correct width on there. So this is a pretty small tube. We're going to get those so they sit even all the way around, and then you want to tighten down the screw. So now that you're adjusted up, what you can do is take both halves of the tool. I like to put a little fork oil on both halves where it slides. Put those together, and then you can squeeze the driver together and drive your sill into place. But there's an even easier way that I want to share with you guys. So to keep from hitting my fingers with that driver, I'm going to use a little bit of safety wire to hold this together. When you do this, you just want to go through both ends. I'm going to do a double wrap. Then I'm going to use my safety wire pliers. I'm just going until this is nice and snug and kind of holds itself in place. And you want to trim the excess off. And now we can use the driver and drive that seal into place. So that's going to be the best method on the smaller tubes, but if you're doing a larger diameter tube, you might not have the ends of this adjustable piece open to put that safety wire there. So I'm going to show you one more way. And essentially we're doing the same thing, but we're going around the full diameter of that adjustable piece. And then from here, same thing, we just need to take the driver, put it around the fork, drive the seal into place. You can see that this adjustable driver is going to be a little more work than one that is specific only for one size of fork. But for everything else, this is going to get the job done. Now, if you have any questions about this, leave those down in the comments. If you need to pick one of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.